Good evening. I'm Dr. Ann Brill, Dean of the William Allen White School of Journalism and Mass Communications. It is my pleasure to welcome you all, students, clients, parents, friends, future campaign students, former campaign students, to this very special presentation. Tonight is special. It is the culmination of many years of hard work. We like to think it's 4, but I think for a few of you it might be a few more. Many years of hard work for these students and their professors. And it is wonderful to see you here, looking so professional. The students, I mean. The faculty always looks professional, right? It also is a special night for the client, the Jayhawk Commission, a group formed by Jane Tuttle in Student Affairs. Its members are Chris Stone-Swallish from KU Housing, Jenny McKee from Watkins Health, and Curtis Marsh from KU Info. And the question they asked the class to answer is, what does it mean to be a Jayhawk? Pretty important question. When you ask that question to students, you would get a variety of answers. And when you ask KU alumni and friends, as this class did to more than 100 people, you get a variety of answers, and you get some great stories, right? You guys heard great stories, I heard. This class started by interviewing KU directors in many departments: admissions, first-year experience, undergraduate research, residence life, undergraduate studies, diversity, financial aid, public affairs, the Kansas Union, KU Endowment, the Alumni Association, and more. A lot of original research. In fact, Professor Basso tells me that this class set a record for conducting more in-depth interviews with KU officials than any other campaign class in his history. You also conducted focus groups with student groups, freshmen, juniors, seniors, sophomores from Kansas, from out of state, diversity groups, Greeks, all kinds of people. You really talked to a lot of people. Was it easy? They're all shaking their heads no. Finally, the students and Professor Basso traveled in teams with their clients, Chris and Jenny, I hear, went along, to 3 universities with strong programs for student retention and high graduation rates: the University of Iowa, the University of Michigan, and Michigan State. Is that fun? Now they're nodding yes, okay. The clients have invited everyone the students interviewed, lots of KU administrators. We're kind of wondering who's running the place right now. Also, our clients are sending a video link to the more than 30 people they met at the 3 universities, and it's being streamed live, and it's also being recorded. And at some point, maybe Professor Basso will check just how many people are online watching. It's always pretty interesting. Various states, various countries. And what's really unique about this project? What makes it so special? What does it mean to be a Jayhawk? We're really looking forward to finding some answers to that. One of the things, though, I think we can all comfortably say is when you ask people what it means to be a Jayhawk, they start talking about how this university, being a Jayhawk, has changed their lives. So tonight is also special because it is Professor Basso's final campaigns class. Sorry. Bob says that KU has changed his life, and I think it is safe to say that Bob has changed KU. Bob graduated from KU in 1967, and 20 years later he joined our faculty. And now, after 28 years, this is campaigns class number 39. And 30 more excellent students will join the more than 1,000 campaigns kids who have made these presentations. Bob, and I'm going to include Lynn on this too, Bob and Lynn, congratulations on your retirement and all the best to you and your family on the new adventures ahead. I know you'll stay in touch. And I know that wherever you go, Bob, you will always be a Jayhawk. So students, are you ready to let us know what does it mean to be a Jayhawk? Okay, well then let's get underway. Thank you.